Hi guys, welcome back. It's another reaction and I'm so excited to be here. And I'm very much excited because today I'll be reacting to a legend. Yeah, she's a legend because since when I was a child, I've seen her being featured in so many movies. Yeah, like Fighting Temptation, and it's no other person but Dolly Parton. Wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous woman. And I've heard her song before, but this is the first time I've seen her perform, like her own music, coats of many colors. Without wasting much time, let's go check it out. Grab your headphone, your headset if you can. Alright. Beautiful. She plays the guitar herself.
Again, back to the seasons of my youth, and I recall the box of rags that someone gave us. Whoa. And how my mama put the rags to use. There were rags of many colors, but every piece was small. I didn't have a coat, and it was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, sewing every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. While Mama sewed, she told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors Joseph wore, and then she said, I hope this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed it with a kiss. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags, but I wore it so proudly. Wow. Although we had no money, I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors Mama made for me. Patches on my breeches, holes in both my shoes, in my coat of many colors. Well, I hurried off to school just to find the others laughing and making fun of me and my coat of many colors Mama made for me. And oh, I couldn't understand that, 'cause I felt I was rich. And then I told them all of the love my mama sewed in every stitch. I even told them all that story Mama told me while she sewed, and why my coat of many colors was worth more than all their clothes. They didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see. One is only poor, only if they choose to be. Mama made for me, made just for me. Appreciate you.
This is amazing. I mean, this is beautiful. I mean, oh my goodness. Yeah, this is an old song. I remember a coat of many colors. And let me say something quickly. Her name is really Dolly, like a doll. She's beautiful, and that same beauty, her physical beauty, actually radiates from her musical tone. I mean, it's like a baby. I mean, so soft and supple. She can pierce right into your heart. I mean, let me just take this headphone off. I mean, oh my god, it's breathtaking. I mean, I can't believe that such voice exists. does such voice still exist in this our time? Because Dolly, her voice is unique. I mean, it's like a baby's voice that it gets right into your soul, you know, like and a coat of many colors made with love. Yeah, I can imagine people that don't have anything, that the only thing they have in their home is love. The story in the music is just filled with love. It actually lifts my spirits this very time I'm doing this reaction, because it makes you see that family is not all about money, but the love that you can give and take, you know, and share. She blessed the coat of many colors with a gate, and she's proud of it. She even told it children in school how the coat of many colors came to be, when they laughed at her, and the story behind it. And of course, that was Joseph. It is beautiful. Her song can easily compose a song with such an amazing story. Oh, Dolly. Oh, she's a legend. And she can capture your heart. And she's so innocent and pure with the way she delivers the message in the song. Let me hear about you. Let me hear from you about Dolly. What do you think about Dolly? I know so many people love her out there. And I can't wait to just get a glimpse of what you think of our own Mama Dolly. She's loved all over the world, and her father loves her too. She's a godly and a wonderful, beautiful woman. Alright, this is how much or what you can take on this reaction. I will see the rest in the comment box. But don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I love comments, and also click the notification button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Alright, you'll get to see more of Dolly. I'll see the next reaction. Bye.